Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn REN in Icarus. Now first things first, you are going to need two buildings for you to earn REN effectively in the early game. Now you're going to require the orbital exchange interface and the contact device. You can find both of these over at the tech tree, over in the tier 2, over on the far left side. As you can see right here, the contact device and the orbital exchange interface. Now first things first, over on the contact device, if I press F, now if you are in open world, you can't really do operations, and for campaigns, it's pretty much hidden behind the Great Hunts DLC, as you can see right here. Now over on the missions, go over here to quest, and you can choose either one of two quests that they're going to give you. As you can see right here on the top right of the card, you can see the amount of REN that you can earn by going through any of these quests. So you can then press request to do any of the two. Once you've done doing those quests, you'll be able to earn the amount that's being presented to you. Now for the other thing for you to earn REN is over here on the orbital exchange interface, and go over by pressing request equipment. I recommend going here to the workshop. Now inside here, you are going to be able to buy some various different materials that are inside the orbital station. Now if you want to get more REN and you have some exotics to spare, as you can see right here, I'm just going to press over to sell exotics, and for every exotic that I sell is equivalent to 5 units of REN. So if I press over here, I can add by 10 and I can receive some REN, and then press OK, and I should have earned at least 105 REN at the cost of those exotics that I just sold. Now that's pretty much it about how to earn REN in Icarus.